When Officer Scott Coonrod arrives at the Watts residence, why does Nicolas Atkinson ask Coonrod if he remembers him?
How you guys doing?
Brother?
What's that?
Do you remember me?
Yeah.
Hey, man.
How you been?
Hi.
You Nickole?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on?
So, my friend,
Did Nicolas meet Officer Coonrod prior to August 13, 2018? If so, when and where would they have met? Did it appear as though Nicolas knew Coonrod would be the officer who responded to the check well-being call? While waiting for Chris, Officer Coonrod asked Nicolas about trying to get a hold of Shanann's parents.
And do we have, like, her parents' phone numbers or anything we can call them to make sure?
She's not close to him.
Oh, she's not?
Not that. No, she said that she still talks to him and everything, but they don't know any of the codes to the house or anything.
Well, I was just thinking maybe they were watching the kids or she was visiting them or...
The state.
They don't? Okay.
Wish I knew, but they're in Wisconsin or something.
Why did Nicolas tell Officer Coonrod that Shanann was not close with her family when evidence shows otherwise? In his interview, Nicolas tells Detective Baumhover he found Shanann's phone in the couch and then handed it to Officer Coonrod.
And then after I pulled the phone out and looked at it and then said I found her phone, and Chris said thanks, and I remember Chris put his hand out and said thanks because he wanted me to give it to him. And I remember handing it to the officer, and it went, and the officer couldn't do anything with it, so he handed it to Chris, and then...
The body cam footage shows Officer Coonrod was downstairs when Nicolas found Shanann's phone.
Code 4. Check in the house for consent. Oh. Well, shit.
Why did Nicolas tell Detective Baumhover he handed the phone to Officer Coonrod? The next clip is most likely nothing, but still odd.
So yeah, that thing turns back on, it's going to start blowing up. Oh, yeah. Trust me.
It was shut down?
She's in the flight. Yeah. Well, it was originally.
Why does Nicolas walk towards the wall with his arms crossed, appear to lean into the light switch, and then immediately walk away? One might argue that he didn't want to get his fingerprints on the light switch. However, at this point, he has already touched multiple things in the house. Why does it appear as though Chris reads a message on his phone and then immediately goes into the bedroom and finds Shanann's wedding ring?
Were you able to pull up the video at the 1210? See who was it front door?
1210, that was Nicky.
That was you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Ed was beeping at me out in the field. On the nightstand next to his brother's book. Picked up here.
Was Chris instructed to go into the bedroom and get Shanann's ring? How could Nickole or Nicolas not have seen Shanann's ring on the nightstand when they were searching the house? Nickole asks Chris if there is a possibility Shanann and the girls are at the pool.
At the pool?
The little rec center thing right here.
There's a pool right down there.
Yeah.
And
I can run down there and do it.
Nowhere in their interviews does Nickole or Nicolas mention they went to the pool to check to see if Shanann and the girls were there. When Chris failed to go to the pool to check, why didn't Nickole or Nicolas take it upon themselves to go to the pool and look for Shanann and the girls? At Chris's sentence hearing, Frank Rzucek tells the court he saw Chris carry the girls out like trash.
The heartless monster, and then you take them out like trash. You disgust me. They were loving and caring people. You may have taken their bodies from me, but you will never take the love they had from me. They loved us more than you will ever know, because you don't know what love is, because if you did, you would not have killed them. You monster, thought you would get away with this. I don't know how. The cameras do not lie. You carry them out like trash of the house. Yes, I seen the videotape.
4 months later, and after Chris's second confession, the Rzuceks go on the Dr. Phil show. Chris told investigators the girls were still alive when he left the house.
It's a position to not support the death penalty, right? Knowing what you now know, would you feel differently?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
If Frank truly saw Chris carry the girls out like trash, then why were the Rzuceks shocked after hearing Chris's second confession?